What's happening, crypto fam? Happy Friday. Good morning and welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott and it's a pleasure to have you here. I appreciate you taking the time out to consume the content, so thank you. Bit late this morning. I'm in a car park, it's 9:30. I'm just waiting. Well, I'm gonna go in and do my ECS test. So that's why I'm back in the car and in a random car park. This morning, I want to talk about the Bank of England building a payments network to support a digital pound. A new RTGS system. Now, you know, I talk all the time about how good the current Bank of England's RTGS system is, but we've heard Mark Carney say that there's infrastructure being built beyond it for a global RTGS system, which no doubt will lead to upgrades being needed within the current UK RTGS system. For anyone who doesn't know, it's real-time gross settlement system, right? Instant payments, the payments where you can text your mate a tenner, the payments where you pay something in pounds and it goes like that. You send your mate a tenner and it's gone in 15 seconds. You withdraw from Uphold and it's in your bank within 15 seconds. That is the UK RTGS system. It's being rebuilt. It's being rebuilt. So the Bank of England is building a new payments network to support a digital pound. This is on CoinDesk, sorry. All links will be in the description. The Bank of England's upcoming settlement service is being designed to support a possible central bank digital currency, a CBDC. CoinDesk has learned the Bank of England will ensure its redesigned real-time gross settlement service, the payments network used by the UK financial institutions, can be forwards compatible with CBDCs such as a digital pound. The future-proofing their RTGS system. The new settlement system is being designed that the bank could bolt on a facility for digital currency transactions should it decide to support a CBDC. Modules for further capabilities as well as a digital pound are also being considered for the upcoming settlement system. Other future capabilities, asset swaps, mate, asset swaps. RTGS is a key component in the UK's financial infrastructure. It's where institutions hold their sterling accounts and acts as the main channel for the Bank of England to inject liquidity into the economy. On average, RTGS settles more than £685 billion, that's $900 billion worth of transactions each working day. The Bank of England announced Thursday it had chosen Irish tech consultancy firm Accenture for $195 million, £150 million contract to redesign the payments network. In a statement, Accenture said the new RTGS system would adapt to the changing financial systems by providing access to more firms as well as greater interoperability and functionality. The new RTGS system is expected to go live in 2022. I can't stress 2023 and beyond enough, guys. When I say 2023 and beyond, that's where I mean big gains, where I mean everyone's settled and ready to let it pop with asset swap. Yeah, not your cross currency. That's what they're sorting out now with the new ISO and everyone jumping on RippleNet or a similar tech. Yeah, everyone rebuilding RTGS systems for new CBDCs and digital currencies. But what comes after that, guys, it's full-on Internet of Value mixed with IoT, autonomous cars, autonomous machines, machine-to-machine payments. It's I don't care what happens before 2022, 2023. The biggest gains are obviously clearly to be seen beyond then. Earlier this month, Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey said the 400-year-old central bank was seriously considering whether to launch a CBDC. Officials have previously said the Bank of England was open to the idea of private companies having a greater role in the issuance of a digital pound, and so far that they stick to the bank's design and policy principles. It is interesting. The Bank of England appoints Accenture as the technology delivery partner for a real-time gross settlement service renewal program. The Bank of England will work with Accenture to develop and build this new world-class payments service. This follows a public procurement process which commenced in February 2019. The Bank of England will work with Accenture to develop and build this new world-class payment service. RTGS is a critical piece of national infrastructure and the backbone for UK payments. It settles an average of 685 billion each working day. Following extensive industry engagement, the vision for the renewed RTGS service is to increase resilience and access, offer wider interoperability, improve user functionality, and strengthen the end-to-end risk management of the UK high-volume payment system. The renewed system will start to be delivered in 2022. Executive Director for Banking Payments and Innovation of the Bank of England said, "This is a key milestone in our ambitious and exciting programme to renew RTGS. I look forward to working with Accenture and with the industry to develop and deliver a system that is fit for the future, supporting continued innovation in UK and global payments." Wow. The renewal programme is a key priority, not just for the bank, but for the wider UK payments industry. It will support a resilient financial system that protects the UK's financial and monetary stability in years to come. The renewed RTGS service will be designed not only to benefit everyone in the country who makes payments, but to keep the UK at a leading edge of payments innovation. There's a PDF press release on that Bank of England link. Very, very interesting. The Accenture link. A Bank of England selects Accenture to renew its real-time gross settlement service. Accenture to support the delivery of a new high-value payments infrastructure in the UK. London, July the 30th, 2020. Accenture has been selected to work with the Bank of England to renew the real-time gross settlement system service to support resilience and innovation in payments and settlements in the United Kingdom. In this role, Accenture will be the technology delivery partner for the RTGS renewal programme, working with the Bank of England to deliver this critical national payments infrastructure. The RTGS renewal programme includes building and integrating the new RTGS platform and improving data access and providing a service that will support the financial services sector and their customers in years to come. The RTGS service is the infrastructure that holds accounts for banks, building societies and other institutions, delivering final and risk-free settlement. The service plays a critical role in the UK economy, processing 685 billion worth of transactions each working day. The renewed service will be designed to respond to the changing structure of the financial system, give access to a wider number of firms, ensure resilience is at the heart of the service, offer wider interoperability and improve functionality, and strengthen end-to-end risk management of the UK's high-value payment system. That paragraph there alone can be broken down into so much, can't it? Into so much. To a wider number of firms, everyone through the Internet of Value, give access to everyone, could have said basically down the line, ensures resilience at the heart of the service, offer wider interoperability and improved functionality, so more interoperability, working better. Do you know what I mean? It all points to one thing, doesn't it? RippleNet and then IOV. I'm not saying they're on RippleNet, but it's clearly like going to start with a multi-hop, and they're going to digitize the system so it could potentially house, and no doubt in the end, house a CBDC, central bank digital currency. Now, what's interesting also is recently they've been talking about stable coins and the risk of the impact to credit creation. So we'll have a little look into that and see what they mean. But this is massive. This is massive, guys. It really, really is. And I know they've not come out and said interledger protocol, blah, 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 Internet of Value, but that's what I mean about that paragraph. As in, they might as well have. And they might as well have. And then it's interesting that Accenture's a Hyperledger member. They're a Ripple partner. Everyone in bed together. I've said it all along. And they're just leaning towards an Internet of Value. And different banks are pumping, advertising, whatever, increasing the brand awareness of different institutions that are all kind of working on the same thing. That's the most interesting thing about it for me. They're all, or they say they are, we're told they're all working towards a level playing field, to a fairer system, access for everyone and this and that. But it's still in a little bit of code. But it's positive at the end of the day. It's not only is it positive, it's it's what we want. And like I say, I know they're not coming out and we're going to use XRP for this, going to use XRP for this, but it's what we wanted. We wanted official confirmation that it's being moved on, not just, we'll go to ISO by 2023. It's like, right, yeah, we're completely redoing the UK RTGS system, we're rebuilding it for the future, so it can sustain CBDCs and what else is to come, asset swaps. The managing director who leads its global service practice at Accenture, he said the RTGS renewal program will enable the Bank of England to enhance its critical infrastructure in one of the most important initiatives for the UK payment system. The rise of digital and instant payments in recent years has dramatically changed the way we pay, reflecting changes in the needs of households and companies. The renewed system will enable financial institutions to access a more modern and secure payments platform which is fit for the future. Oh yeah, mate. The RTGS renewal program is being delivered in multiple transition states to minimize risk and expected to run, what date am I about to say? And it ain't the free. No, it's 2025, mate. 2025, mate. So please, right. Not long ago, we was all looking at triple figures, 4 figures for possible XRP, like, or it'll go into the hundreds, it'll go into the thousands eventually by 2025, 2030, it'll go to the thousands. And that's still possible. Make no mistake, possibility and probability are two completely different things. It's still possible. Now there's a lot of people who barely think it's going to go over $10, $20 in the near future, and highly likely now by 2020, 2022, 2023, imagine we're still at only $3, $4, $5, $6. And how many people would have sold out by then? And then, it don't even bear thinking about what's going to happen, not only between 2023 and 2025 as it really starts gaining some traction, but what happens beyond that with all the other industries taking hold as well. It's absolutely incredible. More information on the Bank of England's website. I believe that will take us to the link we already covered, but we will check. RTGS renewal program. The RTGS renewal program will deliver the next generation of our real-time gross settlement service. The overview. So this, I haven't copied this in the links, I don't think, but it is in the Accenture one at the bottom. So give that a click if you want to find this one. But the overview, the real-time gross settlement RTGS service is the infrastructure that holds accounts of banks. We've seen that little bit though. It's pretty much all the overview of this, and what it basically is in the other article I read anyway. This is a little bit deeper, so let's go through it to where see if we can see something mentioned that wasn't mentioned before. Our vision is to develop an RTGS service which is fit for the future, increasing resilience, access, and offering interoperability, improve use functionality. Yeah, it all comes from Bank of England. That it's all on. It's on a little document page on there. Program timeline. Following close industry engagement, our indicative timeline is outlined below and based on a planning assumption with plus neg 3 months accuracy. The program plan. So procurement last year, this year, TS1 foundation last year and all of this year, TS2 participation data channels starting this year, going into early 2022. Core RTGS replacement, the TS3, starting in 2021, running through to 2023, and the TS4 renewed services into 2025. Operating transition states, TS, TS1, TS2, TS3, TS4. Operating transition states. Again, go and view the links in the documents to sign. How are we governed? That's an interesting one. The RTGS Renewal Committee governs the RTGS Renewal Programme. The committee is comprised of 2 core non-executive members, 2 RTGS Chaps Board independent members, the bank's chief operating officer and the deputy governor for markets and banking is responsible for overseeing the delivery, overall scope and financial management of the RTGS Renewal Programme. Its responsibilities are set out in the matters reserved to court document. That's a hyperlink. Yeah, further information also there available, guys. There's lots of links in the description. There's hyperlinks within them links to go and chase it all down if you want the deeper information and not just the overviews, because as you might have seen and noticed, it's all kind of giving the same overview with their own little spin on it, which is kind of what I've done. So I'm going to start preparing. I've got an hour till I've got to be in for my ECS test, my electromechanical certification, so we can get back on a building site, because domestic work is dead at the moment in this lockdown. So I need to renew my card and get back on site. Yeah, guys, it's Friday. It's an absolutely beautiful day up north. Blue skies, mate. Blue skies. The birds would be cheeping back at home. Is it cheeping or chirping? Chirping. Have a good day. Have a good weekend. Invest in yourself. Invest in the internet of value. Wishing health and happiness to you and yours. Yeah. Find something you're interested in and roll with it, guys. It's time to make moves. Time to make moves. Don't let this pass you by like the internet might have. I know some of you might have made a lot of money on the internet. Some of you might not have. But don't let this pass you by. It's a new technology. Fundamentally going to change the world. Yeah. We love crypto. We love XRP. We love the internet of value and what it's going to bring. And we love you. Yeah. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.